Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to see your purchase history using the PlayStation app on your phone. And you can very easily get this from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. It's just called PlayStation app. Let's go ahead and select this. So sign in with your email address and password. Now to see your transaction history, we're going to be on this page when we sign in. We want to go over to this little icon, the store icon. Then it's going to load and we want to go to the three little lines, and sometimes this application is a little bit slow, so hit the three little lines and this page is going to pop up where we can see redeem codes, subscription management. But let's go to transaction history, and this is going to show us everything we have ever purchased on here. So you might have to sign in again, and that gets annoying, but you're going to be able to see everything you ever bought just by going to this section. And when you click on the information, it's going to give you a little bit more information. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.